Discover the GranuCharge At Line, real-time electrostatic charge analysis, right where your process happens. Powders naturally build up electrostatic charges during flow, which can disrupt quality, safety, and efficiency. But measuring those charges during production has always been a challenge, until now. The GranuCharge AL is a compact, portable analyzer that gives you instant charge per mass data directly at the line, with no lab delays and no process interruption. As powder flows through a Faraday cup, its charge is measured while a load cell records its mass, delivering precise, real-time results. This lets you quickly identify electrostatic issues, optimize material choices, and make confident decisions without stopping production. Whether you're in pharmaceuticals, additive manufacturing, or powder processing, the GranuCharge AL helps you see what was once invisible. GranuCharge AL, make electrostatics visible and optimize your process in real time.